Isa ni.
Sagot ko yan.
37. We are now going to present and defend our research study, which is about verbal bullying and academic motivation, a correlational study among grade 7 students. It's just so hard, but I will be okay. I will be able to how-as ako ni. Wish me luck. God bless me.